Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix 1010 app if it's not working. So what is 1010 app? If you go to Google Play Store, 1010 app is pretty much a walkie-talkie app. It's a novelty app. And once you've installed it, just click on open. So this is what it looks like. It says, let's go. You know, how old are you? Say 55. It's for the memes of it. Sign in with Google. Of course, you blurred that out. There you go. Once you sign in, you just need to enable these two. So this is going to be how 1010 app looks like. So what if it doesn't work? For example, if you want to add a friend, this isn't showing, or if you're trying to talk to a friend on another room or another house, it's not working. So how do you do it? It's very easy. What you want to do is go away from the 1010 app, go to the app page like this, and just search for 1010. Right there you go. And here what you want to do is make sure that the permissions are set for microphone and notifications and your camera, right? More notably, your microphone and your notifications camera isn't really that important because it is a walkie-talkie. After that, if it's still not working, what you want to do is click on storage. You have your own version of this, and what you want to do is tap on clear cache and then clear data. All the application's data will be deleted permanently. Do that, and then you just need to sign in, and you'll be good to go. So do that, and after that, all you need to do is tap on 1010 again, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.